Which of the following answer choices is equivalent to 47 plus 35? So to solve this, we're going to use long addition. We add column by column, starting from the right. We always start with the ones column on the right. The ones column gives us 7 plus 5. What is that? We can use a number line to check. Start at 0. Move 5 spaces to the right, and that lands us at 5. Now add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that takes us to 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. Since the number 12 has two digits, we cannot fit both in the ones column. Write the 2 in the ones place and carry the 1 over to the tens column. Move left to the tens column now. We have 3, 4, and the carried 1. So that means 3 plus 4 plus 1. Let's start at 3 on the number line. And now we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That takes us to 7. And let's add 1 more for the carried 1, which takes us to 8. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Write 8 in the tens place. The final answer is 82. 47 plus 35 equals 82. Looking at the answer choices, C is correct. 47 plus 35 is 82. The process is always the same. Add the ones column first. If the sum is 10 or more, write the ones digit and carry the tens digit to the next column. Then add the tens column, including whatever you carried. And that is how you add two-digit numbers with regrouping. Subscribe for more GED math lessons every week, and I'll see you in the next one.